Once upon a time, there was an evil queen. She had a magic mirror.
What? They are still alive? I am very Young ladies, try some sweet apples.
Wow, thank you.
I just want to be pretty.
You can be kind too.
I'm sorry.
Let's be friends.
Where we can blow kiss, blow, blow kiss, blow kiss, blow, blow kiss, blow kiss, blow, blow kiss, blow kiss right now. Where we can give a hug, give a hug, show some love, show some love, give a hug, give a hug, give a hug right now.
Raise